candidates, former House Speaker Joe Shekarchi's application to join this Rhode Island Supreme Court has kicked off fierce controversy over whether he's violating the revolving door law. The former dean of this law school, where we are meeting tonight, says yes. Judge Leach has said no, and he can go forward. Ms. Ahern, do you think it's okay for Joe Shekarchi to jump, if he's appointed, to jump straight from the speakership to the Supreme Court?
Yeah, so as you alluded to, there's a court decision on this as we speak, and so I would follow the law that the court has said, and so it appears okay at this moment.
Do you have any concerns about the optics?
Well, I think that's a question for who writes the laws and who determines what that means, but right now the pending ruling from the court is that he's able to do so.
Mr. Hoffman, do you think it's appropriate?
Yeah, so I read Judge Leach's opinion. I think that, to me, it seems legal that the speaker could become a Rhode Island Supreme Court judge. The optics, so first of all, I think that the speaker, the former speaker, is a good lawyer and would be a good Supreme Court judge. Are there optics issues? Well, certainly, because it's been being reported on in the press quite a bit, and there's public controversy about it. In my view, it's actually a good thing in this state. We can't imagine that the Judicial Nominating Commission is going to be the sole arbiter for who can be a judge in this state. And it needs to be in the public sphere debated as it is at the federal level with federal judges.
Mr. Solomon, same question. Do you think it's appropriate if that were to happen?
The Superior Court allowed it, and I believe the Supreme Court's going to do the same, as it's a constitutional position. So,
you served with Mr. Shekarchi. Do you have any concerns about the optics here?
I think he's going to do a great job as the next Supreme Court justice if the governor picks him.
Mr. Knight?
Are you asking me whether it's legal or whether it's bad luck?
Both.
Well, the judge says it's legal, and I haven't studied the issues, but I respect Judge Leach immensely, and I'll take his word for it. And we'll see what happens in the Supreme Court. But I have to tell you, if this is the case, if it turns out that the Supreme Court is a constitutional office and anybody can, any sitting legislator or anyone subject to the revolving door can just apply, you will never, ever, 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 ever see a Rhode Island Supreme Court judge who does not come from the General Assembly. And that is not good for us. It is not good for us. So the law is one thing, but the wisdom of applying for this job, coming straight from the General Assembly and picking someone like my esteemed colleague, Joe Shekarchi. I mean, he's a great speaker. But this is not the right direction we should be going.